Hi folks, today we are going to unbox this tire inflator which I have purchased from Amazon. We'll unbox and see the performance. This will be a short video to help people who are trying to purchase such kind of products. So let's open it. It is a Wosher Tyre Inflator which I have purchased from Amazon. There are two versions available. One is with the digital scale, but I have purchased with the analog scale. So let's open it. There is no tape and all available. It comes with a bag inside. So this is what it says, washer. The box I can see there is showing a car, bikes and for ball. So what's written here? It's written as bi-directional heat dissipation, strong power. So this is something written here. It has a 2 years warranty. It says register with official WhatsApp details inside. So that needs to be really seen, that what are the details is talking about. It's a 120 watt inflator up to 130 psi. That's what it's written over here, but we'll have to really check how it functions. What is the MRP written here is 1988. I got it on Amazon for 1,299. Okay, so let's put this box at the side, and now we'll open the product itself. It looks very sturdy, like a small stabilizer. Sturdy and well built. On the back side there is this attachment and the wire and the power plug. They're saying the screw should be tightened and just the power rating again here. So it says a 1 + 1 year warranty, and it says just register yourself by sending us a WhatsApp. Okay, so just a WhatsApp that I have to send. This thing, leave us an honest review. Send an image of your product invoice on our WhatsApp care. WhatsApp only. Okay, that's it to register for the warranty. So this is the scale. You can see it is showing up to 120 psi. I don't know why it's showing. Okay, it shows on the box as 130 psi, but on the scale you can only see 120 psi. So that is something which needs to be seen. Yeah, so I'll show you the review by filling some air in my car. I have 39 psi in my 38.5 psi in my car. So I'll reduce it to 5 to 6 psi. As you can see, the pressure is 33.5 psi. Now we'll fill the air. You can see this on the inflator. We'll start the inflator. Let's say 40 psi here. Just check the psi now. So it is showing 36 psi. So we can say that the inflator is quite good.